In this video, you'll learn how to recall, or more accurately, prevent sending an email in Ionos Webmail using delayed delivery. While Ionos doesn't have a true recall feature once a message has been sent, there is a simple way to build in a safety buffer so you can stop an email before it actually goes out. Let's start with the basic idea. In Ionos Webmail, once an email has fully left the server and reached the recipient's mailbox, you can't literally pull it back. That's why the best strategy is to delay sending your message for a few minutes. This delay gives you a window of time to catch typos, missing attachments, or even realize you emailed the wrong person and then cancel the email before it's delivered. First, open Ionos Webmail and start by composing your email as you normally would. Click on New Email or the Compose button and then fill in the recipient's address, your subject line, and the body of your message. Take a moment here to write everything out and add any attachments you need. Even though we're building in a delay, it's still a good habit to double check email addresses and content while you're in the composer. Now, instead of immediately clicking the main send button, look closely at that button in the composer window. You should see a small downward arrow next to send. This arrow is the key to scheduling your email and giving yourself that recall-like option. Rather than pressing send directly, click on this down arrow. When you click the arrow, you'll see options to send the email later, usually with several preset times you can choose from. Here, select a time delay that feels comfortable for you, such as 5 or 10 minutes from now. For many people, 5 minutes is enough to catch obvious mistakes, while 10 minutes gives a bit more breathing room. Choose the option that fits how you work and how cautious you want to be. Once you've selected the delay, confirm the scheduled send. Your email won't go out right away. Instead, it will be placed in a special folder, often called scheduled or outbox, depending on how your Ionos webmail layout is configured. This means the message is essentially on hold and will only be sent automatically when that scheduled time arrives. Now, here's how you recall the email during that delay period. If you change your mind after scheduling the message or you notice a mistake, go to the scheduled or outbox folder before the time you chose is reached. Open that folder, find the email you just scheduled, and delete it. Deleting the email from this folder before the send time prevents it from ever being delivered to the recipient. If you want to fix something and still send the message later, you can also copy the content before deleting it, then start a fresh email, make your corrections, and schedule it again with a new delay. Over time, you might find a preferred delay that balances convenience with safety, and you can use this method for important or sensitive messages where errors would be costly or embarrassing. So while Ionos Webmail doesn't offer a one-click recall for emails that have already been sent, using scheduled sending and deleting from the scheduled or outbox folder gives you a practical workaround. By composing your email using the down arrow next to send to choose a future time and then deleting the message before that time if needed, you gain a reliable way to stop problem emails before they reach anyone's inbox.